Hello all. We are going to view Devices menu. In Devices section, devices can be filtered according to categories and room by room. Devices can be controlled via shortcut buttons or via detailed view by clicking the device. When you click on the section you want to check, its detailed view looks like this. For example, this is a detailed view of a thermostat. These buttons are shortcut buttons. Accessory can also be controlled from here. From here, you can filter the category you want to check. If there is no device in a category, the category will not be shown in Categories section. It is possible to add a device to Favorites category and change name, room, and icon of a device. Enter detailed view of the device you want to edit. You can click on the marked icons to change them. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.